Welcome everyone. Hope everyone is fine and safe. Today we are going to see how to work with drag and drop using Selenium WebDriver. Before proceeding, if you did not subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe and like this video. Without wasting time, let's move to our example. So this is our website on which we are going to take the example of drag and drop. You can see if I drag from here and I can drop here. Okay, so this is drag and drop. So let's see how to handle this using Selenium WebDriver. So I'm already ready with my class, drag and drop as a class. And very first thing that we need to start our browser. I need to set the path of my executable driver. So using system property, that is done, system.set property. And here, if I'm interested in starting Chrome, so I will say webdriver.chrome.driver, and here path of my executable driver. So my driver is inside d driver d:2/ inside drivers folder. My Chrome driver is there. Okay, so we'll pass the reference of parent, that is our WebDriver driver equals to our Chrome driver, which is our child. We'll import WebDriver and Chrome driver from Selenium package. Yes, we have imported. Next thing, using actions class, we can control our mouse and keyboard. So we are going to see drag and drop, which is a mouse activity. We are going to see drag and drop, which is a mouse activity. So we need to make the object of actions class, actions, AC equals to what? New actions. And I need to import this actions from Selenium package. And I need to pass driver as a parameter inside this constructor. Okay, so now I'm ready for what purpose? Doing drag and drop using actions class, which is from Selenium WebDriver. Okay, so let's open our URL driver.get, and here I need to pass the URL of my application. So this is my URL. Okay, now next thing, so this is our source. Okay, and this is our destination. So source to destination I need to pass. So let's do the inspection of this source. So it's having ID as what? Draggable. So driver dot find element by dot ID, it's our draggable. Okay, we'll store in object of which type? Web element type, since return type of find element is web element. This is our destination, suppose. So destination property, let's see what is the property of destination. Okay, now AC dot drag and drop from source to destination. Source is src and this is our destination. Okay, source to destination, and every actions command ends with a dot perform to do the required task. Okay, so let's run it whether it's working or not. Our object is little hidden, so we'll maximize our window as well, and let's see what any kind of error is thrown or not. Yes, some error is there, no such element exception. Okay, it is saying draggable object is not there on the screen. So what can be the reason? Let me check. Okay, okay, you can see this is inside iframe. If I do right click here, we'll get option of reload frame. That means our object is inside iframe. How to handle iframe? I have created separate video for this. I will provide link in description. You can visit and get more detail about handling iframe. So I will quickly handle this iframe. So you can see what is the property of this iframe. you can see the property of iframe is class equals to demo frame. Class equals to demo frame. It does not have ID and name. Okay, we can also handle the iframe using ID and name also. Okay, but here ID name is not there, so we'll be using class. How to switch to the iframe using class? Let's see it. So before performing this task, I need to switch. So here I will type how to switch to the iframe. So driver dot switch to frame, and here I need to pass driver dot find element by dot class name, and the class name was demo frame. You can see class name is what? Demo frame. So I will paste here and we give semicolon here. Now it should do drag and drop. Let's maximize our window as well. So how to maximize? Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. So this is our function to maximize window. Maximize window, and this is for switching to the iframe. Switching to iframe, and this is for what? Drag and drop. So let's see whether it's working or not. So you can see our code is successful. It has successfully dropped. Okay, so this much is for this video. We'll meet in the next video with new topic. Thanks everyone for listening. Have a great day.